Hello, this is Jalen 3D Praying, and welcome to Pray in the Week, episode 55, Reindeer Kit Card. Okay, so the print's done, so I'm going to grab it off the bed and then just pop all the little pieces off. I'm going to speed past this part because I don't think you guys really want to watch me just slowly pop them all out. I do recommend with this one to have some side cutters or some type of cutting tool to help you remove it. And then I'll just speed past it and get to the video. Okay, now that all the pieces have popped out, you're going to take the body, and then there's these kind of pieces for the legs that you slide in. And they do take a bit of force to get in, but just carefully slide them in. And then I do make a mistake up here. I actually start to put the wrong type of leg in. So you gotta make sure you grab the back leg when I at first grabbed the front leg. So I'm going to just kind of speed past it and then show you where I fixed the mistake. So now I'm going to fix the mistake so you can tell the difference between the back leg and the front leg. The back legs have a little bump sticking out when the back legs are completely straight on the back there. So you know you did it wrong if your reindeer does not sit flat. If their feet kind of sit at weird angles, probably you put their feet in the wrong place. So then I'll just put the feet on correctly. And so I got both back legs now put in. And then I'm going to move on to the front. And now I'm going to put the antlers on. There's this little piece to hold both of the antlers that you slide in that has little ears on it too. And then the antlers can go on either side. It does not matter. You can just slide them in. And then once you get both of them slid in, you got your reindeer completed and ready to show. So I'll just get that last piece slid in, and then there it is. So what do you guys think of this? Go ahead and let me know in the comments. If you liked the video, go ahead and leave a like and subscribe.